In this video, I am going to show you how to export images from Blender. First, you need to render your image. So first, let's go to render tool on the right hand side and choose your render engine. Eevee is fine and just click on sampling and increase the sampling like so. And after that, just click on the camera icon and from there, just press N on your keyboard and just go to the view, and from here make sure camera to view is toggled on and then resize your image to your liking like so. And after you have configured it, just go to render, just go to render image and wait for the image to render. And once the render is complete, just go to the top left once again and click on image and choose the option to save as. Now choose the location where you want to save it. So I'm just gonna go with this particular location and I'll just name it like image png and click on save as image. And now I'm in the file explorer, and as you can see, our image have been successfully exported from Blender. And that's it. That's how we render and export images from Blender. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.